Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Move. And today, we're here with Skeng, a song called Treaty. Produced by the genius himself, Not Nice, aka 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. So we're gonna fall down that one here with the G, I say. So let's go, man. Let's go. Alright, so we see 3 bad carrier, so 3 beam at all white. Oh god, Ratty gang out, man. Ratty gang, t-shirt, lad guy. Not nice. Buckler, gun in the pocket in the man.
Not nice. Walk with faith, I'm gun in the movies.
The 3 T stand for to the top. Okay. So 3, number 3 and letter T, but this one is just 3 T. So he must say, yo, not nice, me rather walk with my gun than something. Me never catch up at the cars, I was distracted. Let's go again. Ratty gang outside.
Not nice. Walk with faith, I'm gun in the movies. Don't grave, none of them can block this I am bullseye.
Rather walk it, what him say? What the bomber clot him just say?
Faith, I'm gun in the movies. Don't grave, none of
me rather walk with faith, I'm a gun in my waist, to me brave, something. Alright, let's go.
Not nice. Walk with faith, I'm gun in the movies. Don't grave, none of them can block this I am bullseye.
To me brave, none of them can block that aim. No matter where you put the front of me, you can't block that aim. Big up Ratty gang, big up Skeng, big up the RG, man. Ratty gang.
Faith, I'm gun in the movies. Don't grave, none of them can block this I am bullseye. 7 days of the week, I see him on now. So I must set an example. My great disappeared in the knock. General water.
This is a more calmer vibe from the G, from Skeng. It's a more calmer vibe, but don't think the lyrics not go chop. I don't think the lyrics not chop. You see me? Like, we know I'm signed to some overseas label. In time to Nicki Minaj them. So I hope him not change up him flow for them, for what them want. I hope him keep himself original, you see me?
Example, my great disappeared in the knock. General water. Them must say chop, but we skip that we call shot.
Them must said what trap. We see that, but we skip them there. Cause guess what? We 10 steps ahead of the pussy them. So no matter what kind of trap them must set, we 10 steps ahead of the pussy them. You know? So let's go.
Anything about them, I'm a do my time.
Yo, we have to give it to Skeng. Skeng a do it. Skeng been a do it. And me hear none of people say, yo, Skeng fall off. Oh, the man to fall off and the man out there make big moves. That's the same thing when I say about Skilly Bang. When I just sit down and just type fuck rip on the phone, and sometimes it pisses me off. I say, yo, look at the idiot. Look at the person just type. Eh? When nothing not going for that, like, nothing not going for the person we are type. Like, all the man to fall off, bro. Come on, G, don't do that.
Anything about them, I'm a do them at time.
Monta Beast, man, I drop Ratty gang, I call the shop. So basically, look here. Them are the beast and the carry them are the beast, you see me? So the amount of beast we are drop, every man like him, good, you know? Yeah, dog. And that's some M Sport too, you know. You know, M Sport, the different from a normal BM. The M Sport them have the party in the grill. That every M Sport BMW have the party in the grill. It should have. Alright, look on that one here compared to that one here. This one is not the M Sport. This is the M Sport and this is the M Sport. So, I want to learn something good to them. Members say, me a BMW man, so I know them. Let's go. Mommy pot still a bubble every day. She live good. She live good.
My mother pot still a bubble every day she live hot. Yo, that gone, but man amidst them living at the past tense. And me some laughing, cooler in the morning. Never skylarking, catch up on the moon.
Bumbleclot. Your flow dog? Your flow dog? The man doesn't make it look so easy and effortless.
All of my friends, them be more tactical. My mother pot still a bubble every day she live hot. Yo, that gone, but man amidst them living at the past tense. And me some laughing, cooler in the morning. Never skylarking, catch up on the moon. Balance.
Catch up on the move and I dealt with it brawling. And I deal with him, I got dealt with it brawling. You know what? Yeah.
Them living at the past tense. And me some laughing, cooler in the morning. Never skylarking, catch up on the moon. Balance. Some of them a jump farm, go them in the top farm. Turn them in the track star. Got the game mad dog, don't get the wrong star. Kill them all up fast, even if I live a star. Lifestyle a rock star.
Clot. You're the boss, man. Jeez. Yeah. I wanna say fall off. Really and truly speaking. I wanna say fall off. My blood clot. Don't get the wrong star. Kill them all up fast, even if I live a star. Lifestyle a rock star. Hot to the top players well man not. RG will have a spot. Still no dumb that. He's the back with my son and I'm a gawking on my lap. Anything about them in my dog, the match I made it up to the top players, well man, Monta Beast, man, a job, talkie dog, I call a shot. All of my friends, them be more tactical. My mother pot still a bubble every day she live. Fuck the fuck of them, a ratty gang, I set the trend, man. Fuck the fuck of them, a ratty gang, I set the trend. Try know that. Fuck off. I don't know nothing but ratty gang, and that's what it is. Fuck the fuck of them, a ratty gang around the chain with ease. Fuck the fuck of them, a ratty gang, I set the trend, man. Me nah fight, me nah for boss, me walk the walk, my friend. My friend, them no war with me, do the talk again. Pop it off, I murder them, bust them up and pop my friend. Me no par with no idiot, me no par with no fool. My friend them a war bomb clotted. Once them pop it off, you know you go get it. You see me? We not pop it off and bust it in the sky. We not pop it off and bust it in the earth. No, we pop it off and bust it in a boy. Yeah. Me nah fight, me nah for boss, me walk the walk, my friend. My friend, them no war with me, do the talk again. Pop it off, I murder them, bust them up and pop my friend. I know them a gun, but me fool them up a gun. Shot line in the thunder feed. We love chat, fly about the touch box, make them come fat. Some of them at some minus, some to the top. Top players, well man, not RG, well if I spot that, still no dumb rat. He's the back with my son and I'm a gawking on my lap. Anything about them in my dog, them at some murder, I to the. Yo, man, like that. The beat, obviously, you don't know it's not nice at genius, like I say, but me like the video itself. The man them not kill up themselves. The man them just step on the beach, just go and chill out. You see me? And just go and make them know what time it is. So yo, don't feel like so we still there. We there and we are doing it. So don't feel like so we fall off. You know. Anything about them in my dog, them at some murder, I to the top. Cup players, well man, Monta Beast, man, a job, talkie dog, I call a shot. All of my friends, them be more tactical. My mother pot still a bubble every day she live hot. My pot still a bubble every day she live hot. Not nice. Ratty gang. No, I never. Yo, not nice records. Big up a bomber clad, G. Genius in the studio. Genius. Skeng! Bomber clad. Hit song. I ain't know say anything when not nice such a goal. Skeng, hit bomber clad song. Another hit, bro. Another fucking hit, bro. Bro. Skeng a do it, bro. Skeng a do it. And Skeng is still fully on the go, bro. One ratty gang, brother. You see me? Yeah, one ratty gang, dog. Skeng is unstoppable, bro. Like, no joke. They can't stop. They can't stop it, G. They can't stop the man, brother. You see me? The man does a doing thing, bro. You see me? Because remember, say Skeng have a place in dancehall. Skeng have a place. Skeng set in place already. You see me? Throughout COVID till now, Skeng set in place in a dancehall. So You know, have to talk about Skeng, brother. You see me? Yeah. Yo, big up yourself, G. This is how we make a leave that one. Still, if you enjoy that one and I want to see more, please subscribe to the channel. You see me? Yeah, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you leave a like on the video too. And I'll definitely see you in the next one.